Organizing your closet can be a daunting task, but by breaking it down into smaller steps and following a systematic approach, you can create a neat and functional space that makes it easy to find what you need. Here are the steps to follow to organize your closet in detail. Empty your closet. Remove everything from your closet and place it on your bed or a clean, flat surface. This allows you to see everything you have and assess what needs to be kept, donated, or discarded. Sort your clothes. Divide your clothing into piles based on category, such as tops, pants, dresses, etc. This will help you identify any duplicates, items that no longer fit, or pieces that you don't wear anymore. Declutter. Take a critical look at each item and decide whether it's worth keeping. Ask yourself if you've worn it in the past year, if it still fits, and if you feel good wearing it. If not, consider donating it to charity or giving it to a friend. Clean your closet. Vacuum or wipe down the shelves, walls, and floor of your closet to remove any dust or debris. This is also a good time to repair any damage or replace any worn hangers. Plan your space. Consider how you want to organize your closet, such as by color, style, or season. Think about how frequently you wear certain items and where they should be placed for easy access. Use storage solutions. Use storage solutions such as baskets, dividers, and hangers to keep your items organized and easily accessible. For example, use dividers to keep stacks of folded clothing neat and use hanging organizers to hold accessories like scarves or belts. Hang and fold clothes. Hang clothes that are prone to wrinkling, such as blouses, dresses, and suits. Fold items like t-shirts, sweaters, and jeans to save space. Organize your clothes by category and color to make it easy to find what you need. Label your containers. Labeling your storage containers can make it easier to find what you need, especially if you have a lot of items in your closet. Use labels or tags to identify the contents of each container. Maintain your closet. Regularly maintain your closet by putting items away after use and doing periodic decluttering. This will help keep your closet organized and functional over time. By following these steps, you can create a well-organized closet that makes it easy to find what you need and keep your clothes in good condition.